Hi guys.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Happy Friday. Fun fact, we are celebrating Oliver's birthday today because his birthday is Monday. So we went out and ate at Blaze today, and we went to the bowling alley and played at the arcade and pick up some Pokemon cards, and yeah, we're going to do a video for you today. First things first, we have our cards of the day. Oliver will do his first. If you want to show him. And he's got the Miriadon EX. Really cool card. One of his favorites because it's got the
Gold on it.
The gold on it, also the blue, and it's a really cool card. I think it's one of the first cards we bought at a event. And I have my card, so I am a big Arcanine fan. I don't remember which one this is from, but I really like this card. I think the artwork is really cool. Yeah, so we have a pretty cool video for you today. We have Journey Together, but we got 30 packs. We're going to be opening 30 packs. Obviously looking for the Lily Clifairy, but I'm really hoping to get an Articuno.
So
One of the birds.
Which one has it?
I don't know. That's the thing, right? I don't know which one has it.
I think I really like the good cards.
So we're going to get into it. We got 30 packs. Are you excited?
Yeah, very excited.
How many hits do you think we're going to get? Out of 30 packs, how many hits do you think we're going to get?
I don't know.
Give me a number.
I don't know.
1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30?
10,000?
10,000 hits. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. All right, let's get into it. Start from the top.
Yeah. I think I don't want to count.
You don't want to count? No, it's just a guess for fun. All right, let's get it.
We got it. Is this shiny? That was. Fast mode.
Fast mode, that one's cool.
Oh, remember we got a shiny? Uh-oh. And?
Hey, there's a hit. All right, you want to sleeve that up? We got the Mammoth Swine EX. Make his little piggy nose. Cool. All right, so we're starting it out, and in great common fashion for us, we forgot to do first pack magic. But you know what? I think every time we forget to do first pack magic, we always get a hit. Maybe.
Yeah.
No, it's definitely not true. I felt it, though. I felt it for about a couple seconds until I realized the weight of my words, and I realized the first pack magic was not true. And we don't do it. All right, second pack magic. All right?
Wiggity.
Wiggity. Boom. All right,
Whoa.
fantastic. That was a big one. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Second pack.
Shiny.
1 for 1.
1 for 1.
Is your nose itchy?
We need this, right? I hope we peek. You want to do it?
Here, let me see. Could be the second card, though. The second to the last card. Hey, it was a hit. We got the old Ionos Bellybolt EX.
I thought it was a Pikachu. I thought it was.
He looked like he's like he knows how to have a good time.
I'll actually put it in this one.
We'll put them in the little ones first, and then those.
Mammoth Swine.
Kind of digging that Alolan Geodude. Kind of. Geodude. All right. Third pack.
Can I see what kind of people was that?
All right, we'll give the people a little peek. I don't know. I don't know. That one's cool.
Okay. Then you can have it.
Cool.
We get so many trainers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. Well, hey, we got first two head hits in them. Nothing wrong with that.
Can we do one of these?
For sure.
Look, they're both the same.
Okay.
See? They're both the same.
I'm gonna have to try and remember what pack we're on. I guarantee you, when we get down the way.
Dad,
Excuse me.
you just forget.
Pack magic? Well, no. I mean, could do it. Wiggity, 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 wiggity.
You do it first.
Boom.
Boom!
Boom.
Whoa. A boom?
A boom. All right.
Let's peek.
No peek on this one. We're gonna give it the business. No peek.
Dad's gonna do it.
Boom, hit. Oh, no, Noibat. Oh, our old nemesis Noibat. Feel it though. I feel it. So, another update. Still no word from PSA. Don't know when the cards are going to get looked at, but you know, anybody that knows anybody about anything about PSA, it's how the dice is rolled. Unless you fork out that moolah to get your cards priority. Boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka. Peek.
No.
I want to do a peek.
I think we're at the 5th pack.
Oh, I dropped it.
Scoot, scoot. I forgot to turn off this light. Let there be light. All right, so 6 pack. This is our preferred 6 pack. All right, let's give them the business. All right, we're not letting those 2 packs get the best of us. Here, come closer this way. Here, there you go.
Anyone gonna get a hit? Here.
Come on, journey together. Come on. Come on. Here, let's mix up the packs. Mix up the packs.
Mix up?
Mix up the packs. Let's do this. Look.
Dad, I need to tell you something.
Oh, cause confusion. Total mayhem.
Can I tell you something? You like flip them over so we don't know which
like
one.
Like this?
Yeah. And do
it. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Instead of like this, we're going to pull them like this. Whoa. All right. Total mayhem. Total mayhem, chaos over here at the residence.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if we flipped our luck around.
We have to get fire, right? We have to get a Charizard.
There's no Charizard in this one.
Oh, I thought there was. I mean, like we need a bad Charizard in here.
If we get a Charizard in here, that'd be epic.
Oh.
Boom. Ooh.
We got the magic.
Do you believe in magic?
Yeah.
Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity.
Boom.
Boom. There it is.
Oh, I forgot.
That's what we needed. That's what we needed. That's the type of shift that we deserve.
Mhm.
All right, Lily Clifairy, right here. All right, come on. There. Oh, this is gonna be the Articuno. I already feel it. I feel it. Articuno. Come on, pull it for us, Oliver. Pull it for us. That's what we need.
Sorry.
Get that card out of here. We didn't need that card anyways. We didn't need that card. Boom. Boom. Articuno. Oh, okay. I want to call him Ruffian. Or Rufio. Well, hey, we're back on track. All right, let's keep the hits coming. All right. Oh, yeah, this is a heavy pack. This is a heavy pack.
Do you think the Arcanine's in there? Articuno.
Articuno?
Yeah.
I hope so. I would love an Articuno. As far as the birds go, that's my guy.
Can we peek? Yeah. Let's peek. You got a hit. You got a hit. You got a hit.
I say so. All right. All right. I say so.
You get a
Let's
hit?
go. Let's go. Let's see.
Can I peek again?
No. No.
No. I didn't know that. I don't know I can do it again. Said I can.
Big bucks, no whammies. Just pull it straight up, son. Yeah. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it to us. Give it to us. Oh, it wasn't even. Wasn't even a hit. Wasn't even a hit.
See which one's heavy.
I know the Articuno's in here, man. I can feel it. Oh, they're both super light. They're both super light. I don't know. Originally, I thought this one. I'll go with this one.
The bad guys? I wanted to go to the good guy. You like bad guys?
All right, let me go through this one. Let me go through this one. Shucks. Oh shucks. All right. Let's just get those. Let's just get the non-hit packs out of the way. That's what we're doing first. Save all the good hits for the last. They're both super light. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm panicking.
Why do you like the bad guys?
I can't tell. They're upside down. We did the old flipperooski. All right. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh my god.
All right, let's do this. All right. All right. Oh, nice. All right, cool. All right. All right. All right.
Do we use the Chinese?
That's a cool one.
Do we use the Chinese in English?
You know, I don't think we got it. I think we have it in English. All right. Back on track. All right, we're back on track. We got all those packs out of the way. We didn't want them.
Hey,
Do I know what...
this one is stronger than that guy, that guy, that guy.
Do I know what pack we're on? No. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. This one feels pretty good. Save that one next. Save that one for next.
Can I see what one is that? Yes, you picked a good guy. Here.
Dude, Snorlax is doing some damage. All right. Next one's gonna have a banger in it. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know you know it.
This one's really heavy.
Okay. I like the switch up.
This one feels like down.
Down with the sickness? Yeah.
Oh!
Alright, cool. Alright. Little Reshiram EX. It's a start.
You have to incinerate?
A little bit of goop.
A little bit of goop.
A little bit of goop.
Remember, did we get this one before? We did. It was a long time ago, though. Right, Tatum?
They feel the same. They feel the same. The treachery, the deceit.
Puffins.
Come on, Dre, together. Come on. Come on. Like moths to a flame.
Moths to the what?
Flame.
Flame.
Alright. What do we got?
The bad guy and the good guy. Oh, man. You like the bad guys?
There's no bad guys. Right. Got the blue one? Got the blue one? Okay, there's got to be an Articuno in here. There's got to be. Give us the Articuno. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Could have sworn there was going to be an Articuno in here. I could have sworn. I felt it. I know there's going to be a hit in here. I know there is.
Hey, Dada. This is going to be a little bit tricky. It's going to be a little bit tricky.
It's tricky.
Do you want to get these two together?
Okay. Double pack business.
What you do you want to do pack race?
Pack battle.
Yeah, pack battle.
Yeah, we could do it.
Pack battle. You get hit. Can me peek?
No peek.
Okay.
No peek in pack battles.
No.
None. Official rules.
This one.
All right. All right.
Oopsies. Let's do 2 at a time. Ooh. We got nothing.
Nice. We haven't gotten this one. That one's really cool. Hops Wooloo.
Hey, Dada, I need to tell you something. Do you do pack battles on all of them?
Yeah, we can do them on some of them.
Yeah.
I really like this one, actually. Look, check it out. The hits.
The hits. I think I pretty like this one.
Yeah.
I don't know how to open packs anymore. Do you know that?
You forgot, huh?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Now we'll take your wrapper, sir.
Oh. Can you show? Oopsies.
That's my second water energy.
I'm trying to get out of the way. Get away!
Because you're trying to peek. Hey, we got a Lily Clifairy. That counts. Nice.
Nice.
What do you think? It's on the beach.
The beach.
In Hawaii.
Hawaii.
We need to get you a hit.
Yeah, I never got a hit.
That's what we need to do. That's what our mission is.
If I peek and I get the Articuno, you'll be happy.
Oh yeah.
It's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug. This pack goes heavy. Do you want it?
Yeah. Hey, why is there 2 packs right here?
I don't know.
I put them there.
Oh, see? That's that water pack.
Yeah.
I've gotten like 3 water packs back to back. I gotta look at this for you. Nothing?
How?
Nothing?
Nothing?
That's whack.
I would like to do pack battles on of them. That would be cool.
Okay.
Okay. I'm getting the sword one.
Okay.
I like sword.
Look, so for this, so what I do, look. Pull it.
Cool.
Okie dokie smoky.
Okie dokie smoke.
Thank you, sir. Alright. Ooh, it's electric.
It's electric. We got water. That's good. Oh, we never got this before. Oh, nothing.
Ooh,
Dada,
cup of cocoa.
we need something for me.
I know. I dig the lightning. Put that in sleeve.
I get like nothing. Like nothing. Like nothing.
You need them hits, baby.
We need an Oliver hit. We need the birthday boy to get a hit.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Pick a pack that's got the Lily Clifairy in it for you. Pick it. That's what we need. Pick that pack. Let me see. Let me see. That one's got it. That one's got it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That one's got it. Oh wait.
This one has it.
Oh yeah. It's in there.
You're funny.
Thanks.
Electric. Uh-oh.
Ooh, that is a heater, isn't it? Oh, look, I got the same one I got just a minute ago. Tapu Koko and, whoa, the Salamence EX Fire, bro. Let's show them this because this is a very cool card. It is really nice. Check this out, guys.
There's a sleeve for you. Here's a sleeve for me.
Yeah. That is a really cool card, Oliver.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Hey, what kind of one is it?
Didn't I say? I said, hey, that one's got some heat for you.
This guy is so stronger.
He is.
Can I see which one's heavy?
Mm-hmm.
For me? This one's heavy. This one's pretty heavy.
Fire.
I remember I learned how to open that, but I couldn't now.
Yeah.
That one has some heat. I know that one has some heat. I know it does.
It does? You feel it?
Definitely.
You feel it? That's what I
Yeah.
like to hear. Gotta have the feeling. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, there was an Articuno. You got a hit. Hey, we both got a hit. Man, we're starting to get to the hits at the very end. Check that out. We got the Arcanine EX. She's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, there's an Articuno. Mind putting that in a sleeve for me?
Mm-hmm. Oopsies. I never got this one.
That one's heavy.
This one's not. This one's not heavy.
That one's heavy.
What?
Remember how you felt it the last one?
Yeah.
I feel it. I feel it on this one.
That's mine?
No.
You feel it?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it. You feel it.
I feel it.
You feel it.
What do you got? All right. I think I might have pulled two. Okay, hold on. Okay. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Nice, dude. You got Sword, Hops, Zacian. Dude, check that out.
Dada, can I do just one more?
Yeah, well, I got some more packs. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep this going. Check that out. What a sweet car, dude. And it's really clean.
Do you want to get this graded?
Oh yeah.
Let's get this graded.
Get them all graded.
Get them all graded.
Oh yeah.
We have to get this graded. Last pack magic.
Last one. Well, I got some more. I'm gonna grab some more from in there.
Okay.
Uno momento. We're gonna keep this going because we got hits. We got hits coming. You guys deserve it.
Yeah, we do. Hey, do you want to wave them like that?
Nay.
Nay. You can put them next to each other so we can.
No. No.
Dada.
Huh.
Do you want to do pack bottles on all of these?
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything is getting opened.
Ah.
It's a celebration. Mazel tov.
Yeah, because of the birthday
Slim chance
boy.
I fall.
Just like the birthday boy.
I evolve.
Birthday boy likes birthday boy likes games so much. That's how much packs we have.
We're getting the Articuno from here. I know it's gonna happen. I feel it. I feel it. All right, let's get it. Oh, okay. All right. All right.
Well, this one's really heavy.
Okay.
I know this is heavy, Dada.
All right.
I know it is.
That's what I like to hear.
This one's really heavy. And why is the ladybug still out there?
Cause he's chilling. He's trying to watch the packs getting open too.
No, I think he's working. That's what he's doing.
Working.
Yeah, he's driving.
Driving. All right.
Now he's going another way.
All right. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? What? What? We pulled it. We pulled it. What in the world? Did you get anything?
No.
Dude, we got the Articuno. Oh, man.
We're going to get that graded too.
We got the Articuno.
And we're going to get both of them graded.
We got the Articuno, guys.
Do you want to get both of them graded?
We felt it.
Do you want to get both of them?
We felt it. It's gotta be a feeling. It's the manifest.
I really wanted that back.
Here's the thing. You know what's the best thing about it, Oliver? We get to share it. It's both of ours. Yes.
You're funny.
Thanks.
No, I need to taste it. We're going to get that one graded. That one graded. And this one graded. I mean, not that one graded. This one graded. These are the 3 we're going to get graded. Okay, Dada?
Okay, big guy. I love it. That was awesome.
Yeah.
That will forever. Oh, this is yours. Can we get a second one? What? Imagine if we got a second one.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy.
Ooh.
Little bit of goop.
Little bit of goop.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Because
I'm having the bad guy one this time.
listen, we started off this campaign with the hopes of an Articuno, Oliver.
Yeah.
And tell me, what did we get?
Articuno. This is mine.
We won today. We won.
Mm-hmm.
We won.
Yeah, come on. I'm doing the bad guy pack this time. And I hope we get it
The
very...
universe knew we needed this win. And gave it to us. Gave it to us. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
We got the same thing.
We did. Hey, I got that card right before. I think these came off of the same line. Hey, look, we got the perfect amount of cards left.
This one's the heavy one.
You got the heavy one?
Yeah, that's the heavy one. Gonna fill it first. Fill it.
Feels good. Feels good. Guys, I can't believe we pulled the Articuno. What a chase. Okay, hold on.
Oh. Can you help me? I think I forgot.
Did you see some?
No. I forgot to get the back.
Oh, that's okay.
We got the same energy. And nothing.
What's the last one? All right.
We got so much electric.
Last
Pack magic.
Okay.
And I feel
However this goes, yeah. However this goes, we
Dada,
still. made out like bandits.
I need another Articuno, like the Fire or the really good one that has all the characters. Yeah, I think I feel it.
You feel it?
Yeah, I feel it. I hope I get a hit.
I love that.
We have to get a hit.
I think you're gonna get a hit on this one.
I know.
I know you know. That's what I love about you.
Hey, can we please get the same energy? Right? Let's please get the same energy.
All right, here's what I want to do. All right. I want to go through mine first. And then we're going to finish off with your banger.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
We're going to finish off my banger.
You're going to finish up strong for us.
What'd I do?
It's okay. That's okay. Because Oliver, finish it up for us. Finish it up for us, Oliver. Give the people what they came here for. Show them. Show them. That's okay. That's okay.
I filled it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think it's like 39, but we'll say 40.
We got so many hits.
39 packs.
We got like so many hits right there. Right there. How's it
We did
not?
good. Let's see. We had technically 39. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wait, hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 14. A little bit less than half, but guys, I'll just leave it. We got the Articuno.
We get all of the hits.
We got the Articuno. We got some straight fire. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What more can you ask
yeah.
for?
Oh yeah.
Lily Clifairy?
Oh yeah.
There's one.
Oh yeah.
I really like that card.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Guys. Dreams come true.
Dreams come true.
Dreams come true. All right, that's all I got to say. If we can do it, so can you. All right, and I believe that. And we got like a whole bunch of Bellybolts and Tapu Kokos. The proof is in the pudding, right?
Yeah.
Proof is in the pudding.
Yeah.
That was 39 packs of Journey Together. We came, we saw,
Articuno.
we conquered the Articuno. And it's a sweet moment, sweet victory.
You know I wanted you to get a hit? The Articuno.
You did?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
That's why I switched it.
I wanted it for us. Oh, you switched it. Thank you. Well, as always, thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for tuning into this video. Hopefully you made it to the end. It's going to be a long one. But, yeah. Oliver turns 5 Monday. It's a big one.
I'm already 5.
Yeah, I'm already 5. We celebrated it today. Not sure who was going to be able to come, and not sure if I was going to be able to make it for work. But, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost nothing. Helps us out. Makes us look cool. Yeah.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
See ya.